are the team that's gonna go gravel guards, can we just keep it separate so I don't get you all mixed up? Or at least remember where you guys are all going, right? Yeah. Alright, so where's my Bell Siphon? So this is a Bell Siphon. Does anybody know what a Bell Siphon does? Can anybody tell me what a Bell Siphon does?
When water gets to a certain height, it takes it and drains it all out to the bottom.
Oh, I like that, bro. You must be one of the scientists. I'm lying, I'm joking because somebody told me that you was a scientist. But hey, come on now, that was pretty slimy. No, that was good. That was very good. But, do you know how it works? Okay, tell me how it works.
I know how it might work.
Alright.
Water wants to be in low pressure areas, so it works by having water in a high pressure area, and it wants to go down to the lower pressure areas. When it gets up to the top, it starts to flow.
It's close. You're very close. So water, you guys know that water binds to itself, right? It's electromagnetically charged and sticks to each other, right? Yes. So as soon as you get all of the oxygen out of the tube, right? I just cleaned it up a little bit. But as soon as the water comes up, fills up the tube completely, all the oxygen is gone. And like this gentleman said, then the water wants to flow to the lowest level. But because the oxygen is completely gone, it'll drain the top bed completely. The water comes down, you see this hole? It's what I call an air brake. So the water comes down, when it hits that hole, oxygen is released into the system, which breaks the siphon, right? So as soon as the air bubbles come in, then the water loses its properties and its ability to pull on each other, right? And it breaks the siphon. So that's basically a Bell Siphon in a nutshell. Do we have enough that I can cut one of these bottles up right now? So can I have a scissors, please? You guys are all gonna, I'm gonna help you guys build this one. We're gonna build it together. But I'm gonna show you guys how to build. So there's a bunch of different ways to do it, right? The main thing is, we want holes in the bottom of our thing, right? You can cut it this way. It's however you guys want to do it, right? You can cut it this way. You can cut it this way. You gotta make the bottom level, right? You wanna make holes, or you can make, so I'm just gonna make a different style right now. So here's another way that you can do it, is you can just come in. You can just come in and you guys cannot use knife, sorry.
You can start the holes off.
Maybe you can start. So you can come around, right? So you want to make it as level as possible. Just excuse my, don't throw, we want to be good for the environment, so we're not just going to throw our rubbish all over the ground, right? So you can cut tabs, right? The main thing is we want to let water in. You can cut tabs like that, right? You can cut holes, we can drill holes, so we can take the knife and we can drill holes. But experiment, right? I can tell you, I'm going to tell you guys, but I'm going to tell you how we build the other way. In the meantime, try and figure out, and then we're going to put your name on it, and we're going to test out all of your Bell Siphons individually, see if it works. Okay? You got it? Any questions? I know it was kind of a bad explanation, but you can drill holes, like my other Bell Siphon, you can cut tabs, you can make, remember, the main thing is the water, okay, there's going to be a standpipe. Right, there's going to be a standpipe inside of here where the water comes in, flows up, and then down the standpipe, right? So you got to have a way for the water to come in this one, and we need a way for the thing to break. So just get creative, right? This is your chance to be creative. And when you're over here, all right, so that's the most dangerous thing we're going to do today is run the chop saw. So when you're running the chop saw, we're all going to wear safety glasses. We're all going to have ear protection, so we have ear protection over there. And then I'll work more with you guys over there. But the group over here, you're going to have to kind of be proactive about it all. So, yes,
how much are we making? Just one?
You guys are all making one Bell Siphon out of a bottle. Everybody makes one. Yeah? And then write your name on it because we're going to check. You can make it this way too. This way it can be the top. It's up to you. Get creative. So, my,
Just going to holes.
you guys should figure it out for yourself. But remember now, this hole is what regulates when your system is going to break. So your system will never drain below this hole. So how high up should you make it? You guys are smart. You guys can figure it out, right? That's what regulates.